Do you want to hold it up? Not so tiny. Thank you. I was like, I've got my high heels.
Is everybody leaving now?
There's more. There we go, I just climbed up here. I just don't want to be freaking crushed. There's Josh and Dom. There's Lisa and Jasmine. Where's Midori? There's Kim in the flannel, just there. I can't remember if I said this or not, but I think like when they bring there's going to be like 20 of them. There's 2 so far, and there's a few others coming up now. But I'm pretty sure from what I've been told, it's like you pray for like good crop because it's like rice growing season or something. I just don't want to get down there and get freaking crushed. I'm sure there's safeguards in the way so that doesn't happen. This one's coming here. Kim just here, just stuck in the freaking middle of it all. There's not much room now. I don't know how 20 you're gonna fit. 4 can barely fit. There's a 5th one coming now, just here. A 5th one. There's 2 here, and there's 2 more here. Oh, there's Midori right there. Okay, just drag Midori up there. It's safer up here. Yeah. Get freaking crushed down here. Yeah. I've lost everyone. Oh, there they are, just there. Boy. Oh, really? What are they saying? 1, 2, 9.
Say no. Like 3, 2, 1.
Hey! Jesus. Oh, I felt that in my chest. Oh. Yeah. Scary, quiet. No practice, just do it.
Yeah, no practice.
Oh man, I just felt that fear just go through me. Like, holy shit! I'm gonna see someone get killed. It's Jasmine, Lisa. Man, scary stuff.
What about his name?
Dominic.
Dominic.
In the red? Yeah.